everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to access Opera.js built-in VPN settings. Now from the home menu here, click on the Opera.js icon at the top left corner, scroll all the way down until you see settings and click on it. Now another way to get settings is by using the keyboard shortcut, alternate plus P. You can use the keys or you can use the sidebar. Opera.js sidebar and click on the gear icon to bring you here. Once you're here, click on privacy and security. Scroll all the way down till you see advanced at the bottom. Click on advanced and you can see some options. Scroll all the way down to see VPN. And make sure you have enabled your VPN. Once you do that, because you don't enable the VPN, you will see the option for the settings. So enable it, and now these are the settings. So you can decide to turn it on or off to connect to VPN with certain browser. Enable default search engines by bypassing VPN. You can turn it on or off. Option for enable intranet sites by bypassing VPN. Turn it on or off depending on your preference. You can also manage additional VPN bypass flow by clicking on this, and you can now add the laws you want to add for the bypass. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. And you can also do more than that. Also, there's still one more option. There's the VPN, and then there's what we call the VPN Pro. So you can try the device-wide VPN, unlock VPN Pro to keep your device safe and secure. So you can try it for free here by clicking here. When you're already a customer, you can just sign in here. Simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for